Hello everyone! Welcome to Javis Arts Academy. My name is Mavex Squats and I am a web developer. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to create drop-downs in your web page. So basically, there are three types of drop-downs. We have the drop-down text, drop-down menu, and the drop-down image. Now you may be familiar with one being the drop-down menu, and in this video I'm going to show you the most popular of the three, being the drop-down menu. Then in my next videos I'm going to show you how you can create a drop-down text and the drop-down image. So before we start, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and then open your text editor and we'll begin coding. So the first thing is that we're going to create a div class, and then the button, and then our link, the href. And then we refresh it in our browser. You can see the button. Okay. Now the next thing that we're going to do is to create the div class, another div inside the drop down div, and we'll create a drop down content. That will be the name of this div. Drop down content. Okay. And in this drop down content, we'll create the href, like I said. The blog, and let's copy and then paste and then paste. Since we do not have a link, we use the hash to cover that up so it doesn't look blank. The next will be the academy, after which will be YouTube. Now let's see how this link looks like. There, blog, academy, and the YouTube. Then we close our divs. And so we have created the HTML content, the content of our web page. We have created it. So what's left now is to create, or rather to style the CSS. To style is the drop down. Since it is the first in our HTML file, the drop down will be the first. To make our work look organized, we have to start from the first div class, which is the drop down. The next thing we're going to style is the drop down content. decoration will be none. Now let's see how it looks like. There. To make the drop down hover, let's put it here. There. So I'll be hitting by default. To create the drop down text and the drop down image. Thank you very much for watching.